Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a quick update on my 12-inch Carabc upgrade for the 2015 to 2020 F-150. We're running two cameras. We're going to do, I got a close-up of my forscan selection for the splash screen. So we're going to show you how to do that quick. This is not a tutorial on forscan because I am not an expert by any chance. And I don't want to give you guys the wrong information, but I'm just going to show you the basic information. So, no intro, no nothing. We're just going to get into it. So, go into your forscan, go into APIM configuration. You don't need the as-built files. You just need the configuration. And you'll scroll down here to splash screen. And then we will click on Edit Selected. And right now I have mine for Ford Performance, but we will go down to a popular one, which is Raptor. Where is Raptor? We'll go to Raptor, and then we will click OK, and then we will hit right. Whoops. What did I do here? We'll go to Raptor, click OK, click right. And it'll say, do you want to change it? You say yes, and it will change. So you're going to change. I found it very finicky lately. I don't know why, but there is the Raptor screen. For those who were like, can I change it? Yes, you can change it. There it is. That's another one. There is about, I don't know, 18 or something in there total that you can select. There's the Ford stock one, which I finally got it to work. Maybe I'll leave it on that one. So just to follow up to my original video, guys, if you guys haven't seen it, a lot of people ask me questions about, you know, does it change this, does it change that, and here's some common questions that I'm doing that I'll answer for you guys. Nothing on this changes. Whatever you had before, you'll have after this. The only thing that changes is this little preset here with your airbag light. That, and if you have a CD player, you lose the CD player. That's the only thing that changes. Everything else everything else is the same. This thing has been fantastic. I love how it made the truck more modern, and you know, there's no whoops, we're gonna go back here. There's no lag, as you can see, right? There's no lag, right? There's no lag. Not any more lag than you already had, right? So people ask me, is it wireless Andriod Auto? Again, if your old system had Andriod Auto and CarPlay, this will have it, right? Basically, this is just a screen. It's just a screen upgrade, right? You have to swap all these over. Watch the original video if you haven't seen it. But this thing has been fantastic. We're going to do a lot more with Carabc. And I have been very happy with it. Somebody asked me, did I notice the screen staying on blank after I shut the truck off? I haven't. I've never come across that yet. But I know some of you have. From what I heard from Carabc, it could last up to 4 or 5 minutes. But I haven't come across that. I'm trying to think, what are the... Oh, the other thing that somebody asked me about was the console. So Carabc is coming out with this unit without the console. So the lower pieces will be different. And that should be coming out in about a month. So if you don't have a console and you have a jump seat, they will come out for a kit with this. They have it for Sync 2 to Sync 3. This is the Sync 3 kit, and then they have a Sync 4 kit. I don't recommend the Sync 4 kit on any of them. They're having too many problems with Sync 4 in the integration. But this is a Sync 3, so everything that way has not changed. Whatever you had before, you have now. Rear cameras, all that kind of bird's eye camera, all that, right? Like even this, you know, the camera is really good, and the other camera's a little dirty right now, but the camera, everything you had before, you'll have after this. Like I said, the only thing you lose is the preset button, the air light, and if you have a CD player, you'll lose the CD player. I didn't pull my CD player out. For those who didn't see the video, we left it in because the chimes work through the CD player. So go check out the first video if you haven't seen it, and that'll answer a lot of your questions. So that's it for this one, guys. Really appreciate all the support for this series. We're going to be doing more Car ABC, so watch out for that. And we will be back very soon.